Balai ka disi konsil yangi nalobrangi Thepbot nadu nem dangi Thepbot nadu bas dang ka disi konsil ki Thepbot kini ki Jaidbynriew Tiwa Lalung balai yangi kim ai kata ka ST jungi
Jaidbynriew Tiwa ni Lalung kibabur ki basa Thep boy bat kapot bat Assam bat kiwe benta jong ke jela Meghalaya gila Dawa naga soka Meghalaya bagladai ban ai ne itu no yaki kum ki scheduled tribe haka jela ka Jaidbynriew Tiwa ka laju simentaro ban Thepbot hak election hak dis council hak jela Meghalaya mentak sengi ka all Tiwa student union Meghalaya state committee rengkat ki kenhun bapher jong ke Jaidbynriew Tiwa ni Lalung ka kentu jul je sokal Meghalaya ba sokal India ban itu no ya Jaidbynriew Tiwa Lalung kum ke scheduled tribe ha Meghalaya bat ban pendrung ru ha khana samari aja alpo hinyo u general secretary ka all Tiwa student union u Albert Dila ulaong ba ketiwa ni Lalung kadai kawai ni ke Jaidbynriew trai muluk jong Meghalaya bat ka history ka sakhi ya kani ulapan pau ya kajing sukhi ya ba ha ka thup jong ke scheduled tribe ke belapan kre na kum ta khana samari ajar punya sim ladon setia ke keteng Tiwa ni Lalung wala kajing khenjing bat kajing tho keteng yeng kan sedang nado u naila aja punri u noyam ka ATSU ulaong ru bala plat dalai post nem menta ba ka Jaidbynriew Tiwa ka Dawa ikan nei Henry ompat sim ulong setia kaseng kalong ba hak jira jongka kalong ko jai ba babut igritis siapa ba jongkari Henry lada sim kia ya kani jingdawa jongki kimban se ban wat de we pat kilat kunti kenang ban itu no yaki kum ge shiru trai hak ni ke jela Meghalaya
balai ka disi konsil yangi nalobrangi Thepbot nadu nem dangi Thepbot nadu bas dang ka disi konsil ki Thepbot kini ki Jaidbynriew Tiwa Lalung balai yangi kim ai kata ka ST jungi balai kim ai ka hok jungi ka Dawa yu ka banang wit nang pat island jangi ki kuatip chai ki yonem yo kata ka hok jungi kata ka ST jungi de balai kim ai jangi de ka Thepbot ST patengi Thep jonga disi council mon ka por dadu endai mintai abalai mangi ki pen system ni ong tong in sai de lano kin ai jangi ki kuat pentip lano kin pencai jangi lano declare jangi ka hok jong i kamnong in ai kata ka chait pohoi kamnong in ai kata ka chait kasi ni don laga jong ka tribe ke Tiwa Lalung ni penpau kani ka chait jong i nalor patip yangi kile ku bom tip nagaliang ka disi council nagaliang kala government ada la mano sarkar ka wan shu umbet ka don hok jombe banjir lano ka don hok kata ka don hok kin ai yangi i ko penpau kanang ba ban dimno nagaliang ka nagala sarkar akan ikut nanya kan dikas sarkar NPP te pulau ini kau akan tip kan digajing stom jungi ka ST balik pan are yang ka ST hadu minta nang Dawa yu ka gadon kata ka kondon ka bae yangi dingi kuatip te tanggri te nga tua penpau yapi ka channel jongki ya balai hadu minta yangi ki sarkar kalau nalor ba itu kilong nanglong itu hadu minta ngi nang stom ha kalian kiwe gitu ka karoy kapan de nakarpan akan di channel jong baro de kanang mapan koi amkia kena cai dulu ngi Tiwa Lalung dengan kuat ngiladon karaj sunrise sakra lumpoi makro mayong amjong de nomor ba kitulah itu ide kun hajar jongka khairim sim tingi penpau ne akan sim tasngi kanang baki koi kanang ka disi council ana hapo Meghalaya jila di karpat japi kanang baki itu no jangi kanang makahok ka register ni de bandio ka ST jungi dah kan diga sukses ka bawat dangwan minta danglong no lalu ko itu kamdon ka penting jungi ki Jaidbynriew di Lalung Tiwa Lalung balik minta nadu endai minta lapau minta lasdang la aja di karpat japi pau kala akas bulan kalian Kadang kata ka khairim ro la itu bhag sampai ka sunrise ko kata ka Tiwa raj ki Tiwa ki Lalung idon kala jong katin ka agensi karyam bako kaniam karpon itu la itu balai yang ini Meghalaya safar but island yang ini banyak ST ka hok himdir kini ki OBC ini ki kahok ini ki tribal pakka ki Jaidbynriew Lalung ki Tiwa te habori boy bon bakalla kasino inde daladon ko banyak persen itingilah apa mahati area te la itu nanti hinde minta pat habale pan sting istom hab hable daga cek kasi apa cek boy kamangin ai nimde ki cek boy ngidol laga tribe tengah penpau ngide ki tribe Lalung ki Tiwa tanggasa nga penpau ya pia kin kanen chompi kana makan penpau kana makan tipna kami hilas sokar ka hokni kariti story ngidon karat kariti don kilong don longsan ngidon nga penpau na yang sunrise kumba danglong chua tengi kuwa penpau minta kham khia kham sapriang lo yang ki Jaidbynriew Tiwa Lalung hapo mikhelya jungi hapo ribo jungi ide nisa nadu hendai mendai nadu himnang batai nadu hendai mendai ngidon be hapori kasi hanadu ko langlong baro ri India kinang sinca ki tholi ru ngidon nadu mentar nadu hendai mendai ngidon dama kalong ko kajing kren gatin kasingi duna ban kren dama pannam yapi besaban don ba kla hanore daba ngidai ka kun hajar khairin ade beras pala.
We identify ourselves as Tiwa, although we are also widely known as Lalung. The purpose of today's press conference is to highlight an issue of great importance to our community. As you are aware, the government of India is scheduled to conduct the general population census in 2027, and the process of house listing and house numbering will begin beforehand. This census is crucial for ensuring that every community is correctly identified and properly presented in official government records. The process of house listing and house numbering for the census is expected to commence in August 2026. However, a concern and disappointment arise from the fact that in the list of scheduled tribes prepared by the government of Meghalaya for the upcoming census, the name Tiwa and Lalung are not included. The Tiwa Lalung community is one of the indigenous tribes of Meghalaya. This is historical fact that cannot be denied. Like the Khasi, Garo, and Jandia communities, the Tiwa Lalung people became part of the newly created state of Meghalaya in 1972, along with their ancestral land. Historically, the ancient Gobai state, the traditional homeland of the Tiwa people, share a common boundary with the ancient Jandia kingdom. The territory of ancient Jandia state extended as far as Parapucia and Tupakusi Roha, reaching the banks of the Brahmaputra River. These historical facts are well documented and clearly establish the long-standing presence and identity of Tiwa Lalung community within the present-day state of Meghalaya. Historical records, including the writings of the renowned Khasi scholar B. Pakem, who was also known as Professor of Political Science in Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, provide clear evidence of the historical presence of Tiwa Lalung people in present-day Meghalaya. The sketch map prepared by B. Pakem clearly identifies areas such as Goba, Barapucia, Tobakusi, Kulukuri, Khala, and Sahori, and other adjoining regions as parts of the ancient Jandia state. These areas were historically governed by Tiwa Lalung principalities, and copies of these historical records have been enclosed for reference Annex 1.